In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how constraints work in your sketches. So let's create a sketch, hit the line tool, and let's just make this shape. So now we have a complete sketch. Now hit escape on your keyboard. First one we're going to do is horizontal and vertical. If I click this and I click this line, now this line is vertical. If
I click this one as well,
it's vertical. So Control Z. Coincident. Say I draw another line here. Okay, escape. And I want this line to be coincident with this point. I'm gonna hold shift on my keyboard and have those both selected, hit coincident, and now they are coincident. Hit escape, and now this is gonna say coincident. Tangent, hit a circle. Let's say that's a good size, hit escape, and now I'm gonna click here on the circle in this line. I'm gonna hit tangent, and now this is gonna be tangent. If I move this around, it's always gonna stay pretty much tangent with that line. We also got equal, so if we have two lines and I both want those to be equal, hit equal, and now they're equal to each other. Perpendicular, if I hit perpendicular with, let's say, another line, boop, boop, escape, and I want these perpendicular, I'm gonna hit, perpendicular here and here. Now they are perpendicular with each other. So if I make this line go all the way through, it's gonna be perpendicular with each other. Okay, and then you have concentric. So if I make another circle and I hit both of these circles and I hit coincident, now they're going to be coincident with each other. Now I'm just showing you guys sort of the basics. So let's make another line here and another line, let's say right here. Select these two and I'm going to put collinear, and now you can see these lines are collinear with each other. Midpoint, we'll do here, and I'm going to do here, see what happens. Now that line is midpoint with the other line. So let's do that again with another line. And escape, we're going to do midpoint. Well, actually, we can't do midpoint there. So, there we go, midpoint. There you have it. But you got all these different ones on here. Hope those help you out when you're sketching. They come in very handy instead of trying to dimension every single part. Just use these constraints. It's going to save you a lot of time.